Hey there, thank you so much for coming by to check out my Patreon. Whether you found me via my YouTube or the Invest Answers community, everything I do here is really an extension and an amplification of the work I do in those spaces. The goal of this Patreon is to make you a more informed and skilled trader and investor, and I want to give you a rundown of what you can expect so you can make an informed decision of if this is a right fit for you or not. And my posts really focus on three major categories in terms of the Patreon posts. The first would be macro and market updates, which include fundamental analysis on companies, earnings deep dives, and there's a keen focus on money flows and sector rotations to play to where the puck is going to be, which is all important for the market we've been in since the start of 2025, with a lot more volatility and rotation. The second category is focused on education around markets and trading, and if you do decide to join, you'll find an in-depth 8-part series on options trading, technical analysis classes, chart patterns deep dives, perp trading classes, and a whole lot more. I keep adding to that content over time. And then the final major category of content is the trade alerts. I post all my trades in real time, and the goal isn't necessarily to make this a copy trading service, but to use my approach to the markets, my sector allocations, my position sizing as a tool to help you think about markets and sharpen your own portfolio. Everything is shared in real time via Discord and a trade tracker, and the posts on Patreon are quite detailed, not only on the trade thesis, but I also go over how I position the trade, both for shares and for options. I do a lot of options trading, but I realize that's not for everyone. So I say, okay, here's my options position and why I took it and was thinking about this time frame in terms of time to expiry. And if you want to express that trade via shares, here would be the equivalent, and we have tight stop losses for all our trades. And the latter category of content is only available to the Trader and Quant tiers. But the investor tier does get access to all my market and macro posts and a good chunk of the trading education content as well. So let's just look at a few posts so you can get a feel for things. Okay, so here is Patreon, and we're just going to look at a couple of posts from this weekend so you can get a feel for things. It is the 10th of May, and right now we're talking about inflation hedges coming back. So this is analyzing what's happening with institutional investors hedging against inflation and what that means for our portfolios and the back half of the year in terms of sectors we should consider. Then we were looking at the semiconductor trade and PEG ratios to judge which are overpriced and which still potentially are good investments. We're talking about the Samsung strike. So this is all the weekend content. Then my daily market recaps. This is from Friday. On Saturday mornings, we post the Q&A for the quant tier to be able to submit questions. So you can see everybody gets their questions in, and then we cover that before markets open. So lots of macro stuff right now, but if we talking about the next moment in memory chips here, so that's actually a very important one. And then during the week, we're talking about the payroll reports and things like that. But in terms of other content, at the end of each week, we have a weekly trade recap, which is helpful just to go over all the active trades that we took during that particular week. We have some asset watches on HIMS, caught some action before the close, and then we'll go through and you'll see all the trade alerts coming through, trade alerts. So lots of content there. And actually, I should open one of these up so you can see how these are structured, because the trade alerts are really important. Each one of these has a video associated with it, which, there we go.
Okay, next trade.
Anyway, I'm not going to play that, but it goes through the trade in detail and the charts. So I talk about the position, my conviction, the entry, why I played it with options, the stop loss level, short-term price targets, long-term price targets, and the thesis, which gets into more of the macro. And then you can click through for the Loom permalink for those trade alerts. So there's lots going on here. And then we have collections that you can check out. So once you get in here, there's a collections tab, and all the weekly trade recaps are here, the daily market recap videos, the Options 101 course, weekly watch list review videos, macro and market posts here, trading education. This is where you'll find all the educational content outside of the Options 101. And then trading resources. This has things like our trade tracker and different cheat sheets and chart pattern workbooks, things like that. All the trade alerts are saved in one place. So we really try to organize this space to make it as useful as possible. So if we just go into trading resources, we have some new trading tools here, a new watch list, portfolio hedging strategies, cheat sheet, tons of resources here that you can spend lots of time. We actually have a psychotherapist in the group who talks about trading with your emotions and dealing with those in markets. So that's a topic of conversation as well. And then if we look at the trading education collection, we obviously have the Options 101 course, Fibonacci course, and lots of other content that you can go through here, really going way back in time. Even some things on fundamental analysis, TradingView 101 class. We have some perp trading classes in here. So lots of stuff to go through. Now, if you do decide to join the Trader or the Quant tiers, you'll also get access to 3 unique content pieces each week. We have that once a week Zoom call before markets open on Monday to prep for the trading week ahead. I'll go over the macro, the best setups of the week, and we also have a live Q&A session. Quant members can join those calls live, and I love the interactive nature of those and the dialogue we get to have. And then Trader members get recorded access because I just can't answer everybody's questions. So that's just reserved for the Quant tier for actual live questions. Now, at the end of the week, I record a weekly trade recap to go over all the trades that were taken that week in one concise video. So you don't have to go back to all the trade alerts on Patreon. You can just watch that video, and it also has a concise written recap in the post. And then lastly, I record a video once a week to go over all of our active trades and our top trade watch list. So we have several watch lists, focused on rare earths or semiconductors, but there's one master watch list, let's say, that's the top and active trade watch list. So the first category has our active trades, and then things that are extended, our shorts, our longs that we're watching. And I go through all of those to highlight the best setups for the week and check in on how our trades are doing overall. And also the Trader and Quant memberships get Discord access. So Discord is where I'm really active every day of the week, answering questions and interacting with members in real time. So let's just take a quick look at Discord as well. All right, so here is the lay of the land on Discord. When you first join, the community tab will give you a little welcome message. You'll get the rules, then we'll have the daily videos posted here. But the real heart of the content starts under TA resources. And this is just for consumption. This isn't to chat. We have the chat threads lower down. So TA thoughts, if you are a Quant member, throughout the day, I am posting about what I'm seeing in markets and what is looking like an interesting setup. And I'm giving updates on our active trades. So I'm really active here. You can see, all of these are posts from the Friday session. I think at the end there were a couple from the weekend, but a lot to digest. Now, trade alerts, both the traders and Quant members get access to this. So I make the trade alert here in real time, and then it goes out to Patreon after. So if you are linked to Discord, you get these actions in real time, and then it takes me a bit to write up that deep dive. Perp trade alerts, these are some perp trades from this weekend. This is just for Quant members. And then we go through our announcements, educational resources, all the same videos can be found here in one place. Trading resources, we have our watch list, the trade tracker, where are we? Is here at the beginning, which is just a spreadsheet going over all our active trades. Weekly Zoom calls, you have the recorded access here with our notes and slide decks. And then the trade recap and watch list recap videos all live here. And then when I go live, that's there as well. Now, we also have trading tools. So traders and quants get access to this. And the first one is Stack Attack. So this is looking for a 4-hour, 1-hour, daily, and weekly overbought and oversold conditions to tell us which assets are at extremes. And this scans the market multiple times a day so we can look for potential entries. Then we have pre-market movers. If you're day trading, you can see which stocks are moving over 4% pre-market with over 9 million in volume. So we had ACAM on Friday up over 26%, BE up almost 5%. And these assets, when they meet this criteria, normally continue with momentum throughout the day. So it's just a quick way to view markets. Now, Juice Press monthly and weekly. This is if you're selling covered calls or selling cash secured puts. These give you the options with the best premium, the juiciest premium. So right here, we're getting over 10% of the share value for selling covered calls on TSEM for the 6/18/2026 covered calls. So if you're pursuing cash or income generation strategies with options, great resource here. And then Rotation Radar. This just gives us a read on the market where money is rotating. And if it's rotating out of sectors and money is still flowing in from institutions, you can see that they're buying the dip. Or on the other side of things, if money's flowing in, but the institutions are selling, you can see they're selling into strength. So we're scanning a lot of market details here for this. And if you do make it into the quant tier, you also get market intel. So we have a news stream here that is populating news every 5 minutes that might be moving markets. Insider intel tells you when congressional trades happen, when insiders from corporations are selling, and it also reports crypto whale activity. Dark pool tracker tracks dark pool transactions. So these are quick off-market transactions that don't get reported until the end of the day. And if charts are very extended and you see a lot of selling on a particular asset, this can be a lead for you. Market Vitals gives us a daily health check on the market, scans 3 times a day. Now, we've had multiple Hindenburg omens trigger, which is not a great sign. The markets are still going up, but we have record stocks making 52-week highs, record making 52-week lows. It points to a weak market underneath with only certain sectors driving things up. We also have to watch the McClellan oscillator, and we saw some SMFI smart money signals selling. So that really gives us a sense of how the market's doing overall. Each day we get a composite score of all of these to give us a sense of the market health, and then we get these alerts when we get those bigger signals. Earnings Pulse just reports on the earnings that are coming through. So just a little bit of detail there. And then Macro Monitor goes through all the macro events happening for the week. So for the week ahead right now, we have CPI coming in this week. We have a Fed chair speaking. We have PPI on Wednesday, core retail sales. So at a glance, without going to Forex Factory or somewhere, you can just view all this here. Squeeze signal, these are stocks setting up for potential short squeezes. And then Pork Barrel, which is a new tool, so it doesn't have anything yet, but this is reporting small and medium cap companies that win sizable government contracts. It's monitoring usaspending.gov, and normally it takes the news media hours to report that, but if you get it here in real time, you can look at the chart and make a quick action on a trade. All right, so that was a little bit long, but we have a lot of great trading tools here. And then come all the regular chat channels. So we have our general channel, equities, all these sub-channels, commodities, digital assets for crypto, and technical analysis, and then just health and fun and off topic down here. The trader tier only gets access to the general chat and the general questions coming in here. And you can see I'm very active responding to all these. And then the quant members get access to absolutely everything here in Discord. All right, so that's the basic overview of how everything is structured here. It was a little longer than I thought, but at least you get a good sense of what to expect. Just like with trading, the goal of this Patreon is to deliver a structured process for growing as a trader. I'm continually working on new educational content and trading resources to refine the Discord side of things, and more is going to be added over time beyond just what you saw today. This is a continually evolving process, and I engage in a lot of polls and questions from the community to keep refining this to make it the best possible resource for all of you. Now, if you do decide to join the quant tier, assuming there are seats open, you will find a very warm, encouraging, and passionate community. I'm really impressed by the quality of individuals that have come together in this space. We keep the space free of politics and focus on making objective and wise investing decisions together. We have really people of all age groups, a great mix of men and women, and both people who are trading full-time and part-time. And we have so many sharp individuals too. I mean, there are people coding their own indicators, some real options wizards, commodity specialists, some crypto degens in the mix too. Guilty sometimes. So it really is a diverse mix, but it is a very warm, welcoming, and encouraging space. So if this Patreon and the associated Discord community sound like something that you would benefit from, I would truly love to see you in here. And if you have any questions, you can always shoot me an email, tradingapologist@gmail.com. Bye for now. This isn't financial advice. Past results are not indicative of future performance. Do your own research.